Hi friends, this is Mandeep. Now we are going to see the attributes of HR. If you open the page here, we can see the horizontal row in this page. Here it is. Now I want to change the color of the line. Then what I will do is ULO or color equal to I am giving red and refresh the page. Now the color of the row is red color. That is the first attribute, and the second one is size attribute. Here I am giving 5 pixels. Now check the output. Here the size of the row is increased. If you want to increase more, again instead of 5 use 10 and then refresh the web page. Like that we can increase the size of the row. And next one is width. I am giving the width is for 400 pixels. Now refresh the page. By default the alignment is at center. By default the element of the row is at center. If you want to change that element, again we can give align is left. Now it will appear at left side. Again if you want to increase, we can increase 700. Now refresh the page. Like that we can increase the size of the row, and we can change the width, color, alignment and size. These are attributes of the HR. And now we are going to see the list items. Basically we have three types of list items. The first one is order list, second one is unordered list, and the third one is description list. Okay, first we are going to see the order list. Okay, what it contains? It contains the list items. It contains list items. Okay, in that list item I am writing something like, in the first list item I have HTML, in the second list item I have CSS, in the third list item I have JavaScript. Now refresh the page and see the output. The list item, what it will do? Here it is order list. It will give order to the particular list item. That is order list. Okay, if you want to change the order, here we can use one more thing, that is type. If I give capital A, what we will get? We will get capital A, capital B, capital C, like that we will get. And we can use small a also. If you want Roman numbers, capital Roman numbers, use capital I. If you want small Roman numbers, use small I. It is very simple. Like that we can give order, we can represent, we can mention the order to those list items. And for example, I want to start the number from the 3. Then what I will do, here we have one more attribute, that is start. Start, I am giving 3. Now save it and then refresh. 3, 4, 5. It is like this. Even in the alphabets also. Here I am giving capital A, B, C. From C it will start. Now refresh the page. Like this it will come. This is order list. And the next one is unordered list. Next one is unordered list. Okay, in that list item, HTML. Okay, I will copy these things. In unordered list, what it will do? Just it will give the, it is representing the bullet symbols. It is going to indicate the list items with the bullet symbols. Here you can see the default bullet symbols are called disk. The default bullet symbols are called disk. type. If you want to change, we have one more thing, we can give one more thing, that is circle. We can give disk, circle and square, that is circle. I will zoom it. Here it is. This is circle. And we can use one more thing, that is square. SQUARE, square. Now refresh the page. You are getting squares. This is list item. What type of list item? This is unordered list. The first one is order list and the second one is unordered list. And next one is mm, description list. Next one is what it contain. It contain the description term and description definition. Okay, here I am giving HTML in the term, and in DT here I am using definition description. Here I am giving hypertext markup. Save it and then refresh. Here if you observe, this is our heading and this is the content. Like that we can write the content like that. This type of things are called description list. This type of things are called description lists. Okay, this type of, and I will tell you one more thing, that is nested list. A list item inside the list item is called nested list. Okay, here I am writing in the H1. I am going to write just nested list. Okay, here I am using UL. In that UL I am going to write 3 list items. First list item, second list item, and here I am writing home, services, and next one is gallery. Here you can see. And then after nested list, here you can see home, services, gallery. Okay, here what I am doing, type equal to NON. If I give like this, will it work? Yes, it is working. If you don't want any bullet symbols, we can remove those things like that. And next one is in the services, in this list item only, again I want to write one more list item. That a list item inside the list item is called nested list. Here what I am doing, in the same UL, in the same LI, I am writing another UL, services, website maintenance, this is nested list. Here it is UL opening and UL closing. In between the here it is. In this here we have list items, UL opening, and in that UL we have home, services and gallery. In that services I am writing website maintenance. Like this. Designing, like that we can write. Here if you observe the output how it is. Now refresh the page. Here it is. Home. In the services we have another list item, that is website maintenance and site designing. Like that we can create nested lists also. Thank you friends.